Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 29th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, the last couple of days, I've been saying that this top right here may be the end of a pullback on the daily. If it is the end of a pullback on the daily, it needs to go down and break structure. If it doesn't go down and break structure, but instead breaks structure to the upside on shorter time frames, we may have to reevaluate because at that point it's probably just going to make another leg to the upside. So, anyways, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we got a very, very clear structure level right here. And if it breaks that with momentum, that's the whole thing with momentum, then I definitely would stop looking for shorts and get out of my shorts and start looking for longs. It definitely doesn't have to break that with momentum. I mean, it could just go up a little bit, break it, reject it, and just keep on going down. Like I said, if this is really the top over here, then this needs to continue to make a downward momentum move. It needs to be a strong move to the downside. It needs to be an impulsive move, not an overlapping corrective move. So definitely still looking for shorts, but watching our structure to see if we need to switch it up and start looking for longs again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.